Hi guys, it's me, Owen, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this paper airplane designed by Foldable Flight. That's his YouTube channel name, but I don't know his real name. So, I'm going to show you around the plane. Sides. And then the supplies that you'll be needing is tape. And a square sheet of paper or sticky note. Good, my little duck Coco. She said hi. She's funny. Okay, so if you want to use a sticky note, use it. First, if you have a sticky note, the sticky pad needs to be laying down flat. It's because then that will be in the back of the plane holding, because the tape is for the back of the plane to hold. Okay. Fold here to here. Okay. And if you see these right here, don't worry about those. I just rip off paper. Okay. Now, fold here to here, but do a pinch crease. See, just like this, right in the middle. And then fold here to here and we'll fully crease that. Like this, I fully creased it. Now flip it over. And then this is what you want to do. So what you want to do is you want to fold it so that the middle crease is following the middle crease. The middle crease is following the middle crease. Wow. Now you're going to have this. Fold those in, squash fold. There. And it's all the same at the bottom. Look. All the same. See? Even up here. All the same. Okay. Now we want to fold like in, like that. Basically fold the corners of the middle crease. Center crease, not middle crease. In both layers. And then now what you want to do is you want to keep those and lay one out just like this. And then lay these out. Fold this side over there. Fold this back and then fold it side so that it matches here. Like matches so that it goes right there. When you're done with one side, unfold that one side, take these two sides together, fold it like that, and then fold this side down and then just match. Now, we will have this. Now fold this side to the crease right there. Let's flip it over, and we have, this is the most hardest part of the plane. Now we're to the part where we're doing this. Is what you want to do is flip it over, and then you'll have that little pinch crease that we did, about right there, see? Fold it down. No, don't crease, but fold it down on that crease just like this. And then also, with your thumb, be pushing down on there, and then get as deep as you can on there. And this is even complicated for me sometimes. And then when you got it, hold it like this, and then fold this down. Now that we got this, now you're gonna have this. See? Now you've done it. Now you're gonna fold this up, but fold it up as high as you can. Now, this is what it should look like. I just use different paper on this. If you want to use white paper, use white paper. Now, we need tape. And use thin or thick, doesn't matter. We'll put it on the back of the plane. See it right there? Do the same on the other. Well, that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you liked it. And it just went in the sink. At least I have this one. And remember to like and subscribe on all of my videos that I make. And like and subscribe on every one I make. And I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.